I've built and shipped hundreds of custom AI agents for businesses worldwide. So if you want to do the same, here's the quickest n8n guide you'll ever need to start building AI agents. First, let's start with the basics of AI agents and why they're so important. So regular AI models like ChatGPT has intelligence, so you can ask them anything and the LLM will provide an answer, but the issue here is that it can only provide text. It can't actually do things for you like sending out an email. Now this is where AI agents come in. They have the intelligence of an AI model, but you can now connect tools to the AI model to have it actually do things for you. So instead of just getting text, you can actually start performing actions in applications. So for example, you can have the AI agent send out reminders every day at 5 p.m. with stock market summaries, or you can have them automatically process invoices sent to your company emails from vendors. And because AI agents are intelligent, you can connect different tools to them and they will choose the best tool to use based on the prompt you give them. Now, let's go ahead and build our first AI agent inside n8n. At its core, n8n is a workflow automation platform that requires no coding. So what this means is that everything will be visually built by dragging and dropping steps inside a workflow. Now, our workflows will always begin with a trigger node, and there are a ton of different triggers you can set within n8n. So for example, you can trigger your workflows manually by simply clicking a button. You can also have workflows occur every single day by using a schedule trigger. You can connect a workflow to an external messaging platform like Telegram or WhatsApp or even Slack, or you can just simply type directly to a chatbot in n8n to start the workflow. Then the next step is to take the information from the trigger and send it to an AI agent. So after creating an AI agent node within n8n, we'll first select the brain, which can be any AI model like ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek. Next, we can add memory to the AI agent, and this helps the agent remember your past conversations. And then finally, we can add tools, which actually allows the AI agent to use its brain to do things. So this is where you connect apps like Gmail or a calendar. And because AI agents have intelligence, you can connect as many tools as you want to the agent, and it'll be able to choose the right tool for the job. So if you typed in send an email, the AI agent will know to use the Gmail tool. And then if you typed in send a calendar invite, the agent will know to use the calendar tool. Once everything looks good, you can save and set the workflow to be active. And this is the core essential for an AI agent workflow. With this, you can add complexity with either new nodes or tools based on the apps your company or client uses. There are hundreds of different apps supported, ranging from Shopify, Facebook ads, Salesforce, and just about anything else you can imagine. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI agent content. And click the link in the description if you want to join an active AI community with easy guides just like this.